gosh. All right, guys, I want to ask you if you've ever done a how-to video, and you've done it really good and you're proud of it and everything, and you go use your GoPro to record the video, get everything perfect, and you go in your GoPro to pull your media out, and you have some outtakes that you want to delete, and you delete the wrong one. Well, that's what happened to me. And what I was doing is I installed this yesterday because the one I had in here was chrome. I didn't like it, and so this is the one that I took out. So I wanted the black, and I wanted to do a how-to video on how to install it, because some videos, you know, people just say I put this on today and they don't tell you how to do it, and I just wanted to do a how-to video complete. But I ended up deleting the wrong thing. But I'm going to try to go over it real quick to show you. I mean, you can do it, anybody can do it, but I will say that if you're running a taller tire on the back, which this is a 45 sidewall, and I don't have lowering springs, nothing on it, you're gonna have to take a jack and jack it up down here and get the body up off the tire enough to where you reach your hand in here, and right here where my hand is your inner fender well, and you can take your hand and push it out of the way, push it up enough to where you can get your hand up in here and get it behind this thing here. And when you do, what you're gonna want to do is, it has these tabs right here, and you're going to want to match these tabs in. There's 4 of them, and when you do, and it starts popping out, there is a rubber ring right there, this rubber ring down in here, that's going to hold you back from pulling it out. And a couple of times it popped it back in, so I had bought some of these trim pieces from that you can pop out trim in your vehicle with, and I stuck them in behind here to kind of wedge it to keep it from popping back in. You may not have that problem, I did. And once it pops out, you're going to kind of wiggle it back and forth, side to side, and eventually this rubber piece will come off your neck here from your gas tank, and it'll pop out. And then you just take the new one and push it back in there and just kind of wiggle around in there, and the rubber seal will work its way around your fuel neck here, and it'll pop in. It took literally about 25 minutes for me to do that. And then you just, when I pull this one out, the one that was originally in this, right here, the tab for the gas cap will just pop right out. I just pushed it from the back, popped it out, and then popped it in this new one here. But you'll see these on sale for eBay. People are wanting $130, $140, $150 for them. This is the exact same one. I don't know why they're asking that much for it. They're using the name, you know, Dodge OEM, which I went in there and looked at a bunch of these, and I've talked to a bunch of people that has these, and it's the same quality as what come on the car. I mean, I can't tell the difference other than the color. And I got this for $31 and free shipping. It was here within 5 days. And it's just as good a quality. I mean, in my opinion, the guy didn't, in the notes, it didn't say it was a Dodge OEM, but I can't tell the difference between it and the other one. The quality's the same, everything's the same, and I got it for $31. So don't spend no $160, $150 these people are asking for these things. That's freaking ridiculous. But like I said, as soon as if you have a 35 sidewall tire, you can probably get your hand up in here with no problem, and just push that fender well out of the way. Maybe you can see it, it's right here, and you just kind of put your finger up in there and push it back a little bit. Be gentle with it, you don't want to break it or crease it, and then you'll be able to reach your hand up in there and mash those tabs and get this thing out. But that's the end result, and not sure if it's going to help you out or not, but I hadn't even looked this part number up to even see if this is an OEM one, but like I said, I can't tell. That's the part number that came on it. So I was going to get on the Dodge website or Mopar website and see what the part number actually was, but they're selling these all on eBay for like 30 something, all the way up to $160 to $200. And if you spend that much money on one just because the title says OEM Mopar, then you're wasting your money. You could put that towards something else. I mean, you got $200, you could buy this gas cap and then turn around and buy like a JTL oil catch can or something other for that amount of money, which is probably the next mod that I do to this thing. But anyway, this is Paul Blart's Garage. Hope that helps. It's the only way that I know that you're going to be able to get it out, because if you try to get pry tools in there or trim tools, that's what I tried at first. Right here, this lip right here where these tabs are that you got to mash in, you can't see it. You can't get to it with the pry tools. So the only way you're going to be able to get it off is go through the fender well, like I explained. Anyway, I hope this is informative. I hope that this helps, and hope you like the mod. If you would, like and subscribe. This is Paul Blart's Garage. Peace out. Bye.